As you can see, the blue car is the one we're following.
Will he pull this off? There's a cop right there.
He's going for it.
Oh, wow.
That Dodge Charger just pulled off that play and broke some legs on the cops yet again.
Was that an NFL joke?
It sure was. He's really getting some speed up that side street.
That thing has the 6.2-liter supercharged engine, pushing well over 700 horses. But also, it may have some upgrades from the looks of things.
We're now on the I-75 heading just off downtown Dallas, and I don't see a cop in sight.
That's right. The nearest cop is about a mile off now. We're just trying to match his speed to see 152. Oh my God, we just for a second matched his speed and the camera read 152. And that semi, I think, had just moved over for the Dodge clearing the lane.
The cops are right on his tail here.
You say that, but he's about to open up that gap.
Would you look at that?
How is that possible?
That cop stood absolutely no chance just then. Look at that gap. That is the perfect example of how...
I got a passenger getting out. White male, white shirt.